Okay, so this video shows right here the landing gear. The left leg is touching the floor. It's completely down. The one on the right side has like about 1.5 to 2 inches up in the air. Now this is gonna be a problem. It's all the way down. The other one still up in the air for a little bit. So basically what that means is that by the time I put this landing gear all the way up, as you can see, this one, it's not gonna go as far as the other one is. This one is actually hanging down a little bit lower. The one on the right side is gonna stop right about there, and I'm done with the crank handle. It's still a little bit lower than that one. That one is, you can definitely see the gap. So that one and that one. And this is just for safety. In case something happens, I don't want this to be put it on me. I will report it with my manager to let him know. But hopefully we don't have any problems as far as taking this over. Be safe out there, guys. Yeah, where's those fucking landing gears? Let's keep on trucking, guys. Take it easy.